All right, we're here in beautiful Rancho Santa Fe, and Sue and Gina de Legge are doing their photo shoot on their new listing here in the ranch on Sun Valley. So let's go check it out. Definitely a cool house here. So if you like more information about this property, feel free to reach out to us on the links below. They're actually holding an open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, for the Pacific Sotheby's open house extravaganza. So if you like this house, want to see it personally, this weekend's gonna be a great time. See you soon.